going to talk about my one-on-one GMAT verbal course, and this is the Visic platform. As you can see it, I have my video being broadcasted, my voice being broadcasted, and here is the chat box. So this is the platform to take the online classes, and my one-on-one GMAT verbal private course will run on this platform, the Visic.com. For more details, you can go to Visic.com and check out how this works. Okay, in the last video I have been talking about my one-on-one course, and I talked about the top reasons to join my course, and I also talked about some of the books that you need to have with you. So this is one of the most comprehensive and detailed course available on the GMAT verbal when we talk about the one-on-one courses, and there are a lot of benefits and flexibilities available in this course. Okay, so the biggest advantage of this course is that you can schedule your classes, you can move things here and there, and you can fit in class with your schedule so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so let me take you through the 3 levels and how I'm going to take these 3 levels on Visic. So the first level is level 1. It's about introduction of the GMAT, the types of question, and the first level is intended to be taken from Princeton, and you need to buy these books, and let me show you how I'm going to do it online. So this is the Princeton book which I'm going to use online, and this is how things would go. Okay, the level 2 of this course would be from the official guide and the official verbal review. And this is the official guide which we are going to use in the online session, so you need to buy this thing before I allow you to sit in my class, and we'll do the questions from this book. Like for example, in the verbal part we'll do questions of sentence correction. So we are going to review the stuff from this book and continue with the questions. So this is how things would go. I'll talk about the different types, and I'll talk about with the help of my presentations about how GMAT works, the kind of mentality that the GMAT board has, how this sentence correction is linked to the aspects of clarity and coherency in language, and I'm going to also talk about this Trishul concept and applying this concept, which means correct grammar, correct meaning, and correct style in each type of sentence correction from the official guide. So in the level 2 we are going to do questions from this book, for example these questions, and we are going to discuss how to find out the right answer using this concept of Trishul. Okay, after we are done with the official guide, then we'll move to the official verbal review, and we'll look at the questions from official verbal review. So these would be like the questions from the official verbal review, which we are going to look at and solve live in the class, and we'll try to have a very detailed analysis of all of these questions. Now my goal would be to finish all these questions, the 140 and 140 questions in the verbal review and the official guide. So that would be my target. So for example, if we are doing questions of sentence correction, I think probably it would be taking like so these are like 140 questions. So approximately if we do like 20 questions in an hour during the live classes, we'll be able to do this thing in 7 hours. And if we only take the tough questions, then we can probably finish out this part in like 3 or 4 hours. So this is how this course would run along, and we'll try to finish each and every question and look at all the concepts that are involved here. Okay, so the level 2 would be of the verbal review and the official guide. And after we are through with level 2, then for the level 3 we are going to look at different questions, like for example questions of power prep. So these are the questions which we are going to look into. So these questions are compiled by Sonderso of the GMAT Club, all credits to him. And we are going to look at again tougher questions. Now the best part here is that till we are at level 3, we are doing all the questions which are being disclosed by the GMAT board. So we have not gone on to any source other than the GMAT board, but still we have done lot of tough questions and lot of tricky questions with us, and these questions of the prep are like one of the toughest question that we can have. And that's why I have made the tough questions as red, so that to save time we can directly do the questions in red, which are the tough questions. So these red are like a little bit tricky questions. So this is how my course would run along then. So I'll be having all detailed explanation of all these questions, and you can check out the recording of my course, and that's going to help you to understand how this online thing works. Okay, so that's why I have this level concept based on the questions that we'll be doing. Okay, so if you require any demo class with me, you can email me. And my email is shivgant3@gmail.com. And for more details you can check out my website. So this is all about how to take classes on Visic and how the class interface would look like. Where I have all the questions uploaded, and we'll look at strategy, all the presentations, all the files being uploaded here. And of course you need to have your hard book with you to mark and point out things at time. Okay, so this is about how things would go on with Visic. Thank you for watching this very small recording, and for any other doubt you can email me. Thank you.